Hey guys, I just left Kroger and it was amazing. If you ever get a chance just to walk around a grocery store for a couple hours, which is what I did, and just checking out deals on shelf, scanning items with your Kroger Plus card or your IBOTTA app to see if there's any great deals, do it. I had a really great time. I got enough groceries for a family of 7 and a very bougie cat to last us for the entire week. And I got a ton of shelf-stable items that's not going to be used anytime soon. And of course, a lot of the Christmas candy that was on sale. My total was $300, I think $290 or so. And I spent less than $200, and I'm not done yet. I've got some more savings that I've got to lock into when I get home. So watch the rest of this video and see all the great deals that I got, and also how I'm going to save even more money when I get home today. First thing that I'm super excited about are these Aveeno gift sets. They're in the holiday gift sets. They're $4.99, and there is a Kroger cashback for $5, so these would be absolutely free. Look for them in various parts of the store, maybe in the clearance section. Mine was at the very front of the store when I walked in. We had all the clearance items, $4.99, and a Kroger cashback for $5. Freebie. Check your end caps. This is the end cap of the Candy Center. These are 64 cents for the holiday candies, the Swedish Fish, the Sour Patch Kids. They're only 64 cents. They're listed at 10 for 10. Sorry, there's grandbaby in the store. But I'm going to pick up the ones my kids like. So these are the Sour Patch Kids. They're $1 a piece, but they're going to be 64 cents. So just check any of the holiday candies, the Raisinets. These are great. We go to the drive-in theater. We can take these for the kids instead of spending like $3, $4 on the boxes. Ooh, these are some they like. They like these Sour Bite trees, 64 cents on those as well. Check out those end caps. The candy, you are not an extreme couponer if you don't also take the cardboard box that it came in. I love it. Tons of Febreeze products in it, and there is a coupon on the app. When you buy 2 Febreeze products, it will be $3 off. So you can either do a spray can, or you can do the plug-ins. We do the plug-ins in our house, so I'm going to get 2 of these plug-ins, and they're on sale for $2.74. They might be less when I get to the register since everything's on clearance, and so I'm going to actually get $3 off too. So that's a pretty good deal. There'll be $5.50 for both, and $3 coupon. These holiday Kleenexes are raining up. They're 10 for 10 right now. I'm not sure if they're gonna be cheaper when I get to the register, but there is a 50-cent coupon on the app, and you can do it 5 times. So each box of Kleenex is gonna be 50 cents. Check it out. Alright guys, this is an absolute awesome freebie on the Simply Almond Milk. It's $3.99. There is an IBOTTA cashback with $3.99 for the cashback. I'm going to get the Simply Almond Original. Try that one out for a freebie. Alright guys, so the Florida Natural Orange Juice is on sale with a digital. It makes it $1.77. You can do this actually 5 times in a transaction. Plus, I know there's a printable coupon out there. I just don't have it, and I'm not going to go searching for it. So I'm going to go ahead and get 5 things of this orange juice for $1.77 each. You've got to do it in one transaction, though, if you're going to get all 5. You don't have to get all 5. You can just get 1. These are all the items on the digital. So you see it's the Florida's Natural $1.77 with the Kroger coupon and the card. You can do it for 5 times, and this is only good for 4 days because the sale is about to be off. They also have the Kroger milk for 77 cents, which is a great deal. Cheese is also on the digital sale 5 times this week. If you want to do it 5 times, it's $1.77 as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up all 5 because I use this cheese for tacos and macaroni and cheese we're going to be making for New Year's, and they also have mozzarella, so I might pick some of that up as well for lasagna. Of course, I can't be a proper couponer without stealing the cardboard box that it comes in. I did not expect this, but my coupon for the $1 off the Betty Crocker Scallop Potatoes is still going on. So it makes them 49 cents a box. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 5 more boxes today. I'm gonna have the coupon pick for you listed so you can see what it looks like. It's in your app. We use a ton of chicken broth and beef broth in my house. They are on sale for $1.99, and I have a $1 off 3. This isn't the best coupon, but it's a great time to stock up since we use this daily in our house. So if you are really a true extreme couponer, you are like me. When you have coupons about to expire or just way too many that you're not going to use, you leave them around the store. And so I just found this coupon for the bread that I buy. It was on the shelf. Someone left it. It was very nice. It expires in a couple days, so I'm excited about that. It is $2.59 and the coupon's for 65 cents off. I never find bread coupons, so very thankful for the person that left it. This deal is still going on. There's a digital coupon, 5 times event, still going on. This is 99 cents for the craft salad dressing. If you don't need this much salad dressing, you can always donate. So I'm going to pick up 5 more bottles today for 99 cents each. Alright guys, these apples are on sale for 89 cents a pound. This is a great deal considering almost all the other apples are like $2.79, $2.99, $1.99, $2.49. So to get them for less than $1 per pound is amazing. And when I lived in Japan, you could not buy a half of an apple for 89 cents. So this is great for us. Alright guys, these Orata crinkle fries are on the digital 5 times event going on. They're $2.49 and with the digital coupon. So you can get 5 bags of these at once, or you can just buy 1 bag or 2 bags, whatever you want to do, but you can do it up to 5 times. Hey, Praisers and Savers, just got back from Kroger. My total was about $1.94, I believe, and I got back $8.04 in IBOTTA rebates. Make sure as you're going to the store that you're scanning your IBOTTA app as you go, because you can put things in your cart and not even realize they are IBOTTA items. So what I usually do is I keep the app open on the store. I'm just constantly scanning every item that I put in my cart to see if I have anything that's amazing that I can get rebates back on. Remember throughout the video, I said the almond milk was $3.99 and I got that totally free with IBOTTA. So check out those rebates. If you don't have an IBOTTA account, make sure that you go to the description box. I will have my link for IBOTTA on there that you can try out. Also, if you love this video, make sure you tell me your favorite deals in the comments. Subscribe and also like. If you just don't want to say anything about your favorite deals, in the comments, type free. Type free. So thanks guys. These deals are only going to run to the 29th of December. Kroger is going to have a short week, so you only have 2 days to get these deals. So let me know how it goes in the comments, guys. Thanks. Bye.